my people, and welcome back to Football Mede Podcast with the Republicans. And of course, as usual, we don't land like Toto. My name is Jovita AK, and of course, I get the usual suspect for Inside House with me, talking about Emmanuel Attah, the most expensive himself, and of course, Onokala Onye.
What do you mean by usual
big
suspect?
Feast.
What do suspect mean? Who be thief?
No be suspect.
Are we criminals?
No be me and the day.
You look like one.
Every time we do podcast, no be me and
I look like thief.
Yes, our face. If they put our face on mirror, they go see this one like thief.
Una welcome, guys. How na day?
Ajovita, you're looking good.
A thief,
thank
a
you.
thief will know his fellow thief. All right, that's it. What we are looking position. Let's go.
All right, no be smarting. As usual, we don't come to the end of the season as far as league football they concerned for inside Europe, and at the same time, this one will be the last international window before the league go close proper. So, as far as they concerned, last international window, and of course, Nigeria day on the spot again, and this time around, as we know, against Rwanda and Zimbabwe for the World Cup qualifiers. Currently, we did Group C, and of course, as far as that Group C where we did inside, we get 3 points, and of course, the likes of Rwanda, South Africa, Benin Republic, they are ahead of Nigeria on top 7 points. And as far as they're concerned now a must-win crucial match for Nigeria. So, guys, the list don't come out. We don't see the provisional list the other time. Now they don't reduce that to 23-man list, and of course, all the players they camp now. But then for you, wetin be your expectations, Emmanuel, for this game against Rwanda?
We Nigerian Super Eagles missed out of the last World Cup for Qatar, and we know wetin it costs. The pain where the team caused a lot of football fans for Nigeria, businesses, and even a lot of other things. So right now, we dey see our destiny in our own. We never lose any match. Super Eagles never lose any match. We don't draw 3 games, 3 points. The good thing is some of the major players who will get for our squad, they don't play those 3 matches. They don't dey back to the squad, and they fully ready and fit for the game. And they know what thing they at stake. See, they know say yes, 3 points or nothing for Kigali against Rwanda on Friday. If we get that 3 point first against Rwanda for Kigali on Friday, then we'll come back again 4 days later for Uyo against Zimbabwe. They will gonna say yes, we don't get rest of mind. Now we get 50% job done, another 50% against Zimbabwe. So I just get this belief, see, Nigeria will get 3 points. But again, Rwanda, they top the table, and they have chance to go to the World Cup with this. So go. They easy too, because they go there home in front of their fans.
Buchi, if these guys fit get like 6 points from the 2 games where they on ground from Rwanda and from Zimbabwe, we say this one go a long way to still motivate the team to go all the way.
Which motivation they need again? Chobita, we have to win all our games. It's not negotiable. It's win or go home. That's all. The good thing about them, say the players, they know. We cannot speak to like 2 of them, and they tell me, say, no worry, we go qualify. The players, they know draw is not good for us.
At all. Draw is not good.
We have to win not these 2 games, every game.
Yes.
So this not be about tactics. This not about them get mental game. It's on the players
but
right
the 2
now.
games will sit us on the right direction.
Let me make my point. And I sent you the talk now. Why the NJ they talk? They would enter. Relax. So you have to. Nah, this is not negotiable at all. Look at these players. How many of them don't go World Cup? Let's be honest. How many? So now for them, on their own record, if they won't go. Because if you go World Cup as a footballer, if they put some kind of highness for your CV, I go World Cup. World Cup is not about winning. It's about participating. And this one go different. Like first time we say 2 or 3 different countries go host them. And in Nigeria no go. No. Now the players they need to sit down. Do meeting on Rwanda. Look themselves in the eyes. Bro, we have the talent. We have the players. We dey regular. There is no African country Nigeria cannot beat. At the same time, there is no African country Nigeria cannot lose to. Nigeria is like the Arsenal of African football. Win anybody and lose against anybody. So they don't need any motivation, trust me. If they are serious, not just win, but win convincingly. Rwanda first, Zimbabwe second.
All right, already we don't see all the players don't already assemble for inside the camp for inside Rwanda. We don't see the likes of William Troost Ekong. We don't see
come with the Init boys.
Calvin Bassi, Ademola Lukman, Alex Iwobi, Joseph Aribo, Igogbu, Bright Osai Samuel Olaino, Simon Moses, Victor Boniface, Raphael Onyedika, Jordan Torunariga, Stanley Nwabale, Samuel Chukwueze, Victor Osime, Bruno Onyemechi, Papa Daniel Mustafa. We get Kayode Bankole, Tolu Arokodare, I guess Sadiq Umar, and of course Al Hassan himself. Now, your starting 11 against Rwanda.
I don't want get. I don't care to get. I don't need to get. It's not my business.
Anybody can start.
My starting 11 is my starting 3 points. Because the team is big. 23 players, regular players. So I know, like, same way I don't care about when you invite. I don't give a damn. I don't want to get expectation in terms of this. My expectation, I say, get 3 points. I don't care who starts. Trust me. I don't give a damn. You know, go use assistant coach goalkeeper. I don't care. I just want to win. Would they care about the illegal things for this country? Your partner coach, have your grandfather coached a team before? When your grandfather was alive, you know who started football. So why are you expecting team like? Now I'm talking about this idiot. Okay. Like, they go now. Like, what the fuck have you coached before? So let them. I care about winning. That's all.
In as much as we care about winning, the fact remains that we got to field a very strong side against Rwanda.
Yep. These players are strong players. Look, have you look at our list?
So even though they are strong players, who you go field?
Majority of these players are regulars in their club sides. Majority
for the game against Rwanda.
I don't
care. We need strong starting.
Whether na 1-0 na 3 points we need. So for the goalkeepers, I go start Stanley Nwabali for
obviously.
Okay.
What did I say? Get sense.
Kevin Bassey, William Trust Ekong, all of them go the back line. And Osai Samuel go the back line for me.
Osai Samuel go play right back?
No, you go the back line, back the 4 defenders.
When you go play right back or left back?
You go play righty. No, you go pair with
you can never have success in this life. When you get Bruno Onyema,
shut up, Joe.
You get Bruno Onyema to be left back.
Africa, you don't get exposure. Now,
for your life, you can never touch a football team. You can never in this life.
Stanley Nwabali, I don't talk. Now my phone. Then for the middle of the park, Wilfred Ndidi go start. Alex Iwobi go there for me. Because the African team, I go play Dennis Papadaniel. You need to see that guy for Niger Tornadoes. Very strong.
Important game, they go put debut.
So that's not the midfield. Then for the 3 guys up front, I go play Victor Simademola Lukman and of course Moses Simon. I get reasons. Moses Simon, no African football. I no go start Samuel Chukwueze at all. You understand? Okay. So I go play him from left side, play Ademola Lukman for right side, and Victor Simademola.
Okay, Mark will look at the inclusion of Omar Sadiq. A lot of people, they complain, say, why put this guy?
Jupiter, again, sorry. I don't give a damn whether that Umar Sadiq, whether that Kamaru Sadiq, whether that Usman Sadiq. I don't give a damn if Usman come into my team Sadiq and score, I will celebrate. The coach know why. He get 3 top striker. Victor Osimhen, Tolu my guy, and he get Umar Sadiq. The coach know what thing they do. Especially when you play against African team. Remember, for a match you need to win. That height advantage, they count. I look at where that thing can wear. That area board, they count. People, they shout, say, whether that's Siri Desas or Umar Sadiq. But let's look at it. Umar Sadiq don't play through the youth system of Nigeria. And right now, they form. Siri Desas now, Wafrafu, they're born and there. And when last he played for Nigeria? He has not delivered on the Super Eagles. And Umar Sadiq get that height. Imagine, say, with the match team is 0-0, going towards the 88th minute. You bring on your top strikers, put the ball in the air. Now, what is the coach, they think so? He needs that option. No, it's just not even the head ball. He's a systematic kind of footballer. In Africa, there's no system. It's boom, boom, gra, 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 gra. That's what we need. Tolu is 6 feet plus. Osimhen 6 feet plus. Umar 6 feet plus. There's a reason why. Because he knows say he need to win. And they think my person will get sense.
But you they talk about aerially. But
yes.
In terms of area balls now, for the Super Eagles, we know they always make use of our area balls.
They need to understand time, No, Emma, it's hook or crook for us.
Match where he won't win.
They need to this time,
used to. Now he won't use them now. Where what you know they used to. So you know be asked now.
The one we used to. Where carry us go? The one we they used to. Where carry us go?
Our traditional
3 games, you know, we don't what they used to. When we did for Nigeria, we scored 4 goals. They come back score equalize 4-4. We they used to that one.
You go check your back line. Who the back line? Who the back line?
4-4. They forget that game. 4-4.
That's why I think you say. That's why I say. Samuel Osai.
At the important time, the unknown becomes the known.
Samuel Osai go start ahead of Bruno Yemechi. I'll give you reason.
They talk height advantage now. Oluku Gambia. Height advantage. They talk for an go back. You can never be directed in this life.
You can never. You are playing African team. You can go. Right. You don't go practice. Waiting never practice.
Don't put your my face on. On my face.
Emmanuel, wetin Nigeria fit do differently to take win this game? because just as we take talk, I'm not a must win.
What did Nigeria need to do differently? Score first. Try score first. In as much, no go they go defend. Try score first. At least first 25 minutes. Show them say you get. See, now Nigeria be this down. If to say things even they know myself. Who be Rwanda to Nigeria when it comes to football?
They get better country. They get 5
You understand? And right now, one book where Pele write, he said football. He said economy. He said the economy of the society affect football development of any nation in the world.
Beautiful.
And so that is why he said any nation in the world from 1982 till date. At the time he wrote that book, no struggling economy don't ever win the World Cup.
Please fact check.
You understand? Look at it that way. If our economy they okay, everything they normal. Rwanda no be threat to us.
Please, I beg,
normally, but right now.
So you want to tell us say all the games where we lose now economy costs up.
Exactly.
You know,
economy they huge. They contribute. Yeah, because influence the people not supposed to play. They go play. But
none
once
of them come from Obodo Ibo come play now.
Not be all of them come. The last 3 matches will play. Both Simon and Ademola Lookman play. Ademola Lookman and Victor Osimhen play.
I don't want to play one. Victor Osimhen never play any game. I don't want to play 2 of the games. 2 of the games. Go and check your stats. It's yours. You don't even the Riyaz they come here.
All right.
He played 2 of the games. He played for Nigeria.
But in the form like this.
Buchi,
what's going for last game? What's going to Inter Milan?
In the form like this.
Is the highest African goal scorer in Italy.
They talk about the last 3 matches will play. We draw 1-1. We'll get 3
highest
points.
Nigerian goal scorer in Europe.
We don't talk about what you get. We talk about what you
get
on ground now.
Like 25 goals.
Look, man, no dey form. Hey, which kind illiterate? Look, man, no dey form.
I said at that time we will get 3 points.
At that time, when you tell me what in the, they art form. Everybody's like you.
All right, Buchi, don't talk about
I don't know.
waiting Nigeria.
I don't like insulting this, but it forces me.
But then waiting Nigeria ought to be wary of. Waiting make them be careful of against Rwanda, because they say person wait for no they fear any.
That's why for they fear to fall. That's why they like that for
kind of fear to fall. But then at this point in time, we cannot afford to fall.
At all.
So what should they be wary of against Rwanda?
Not to be. Rwanda.
What should they be careful of?
That question hard, I no go lie. What should they be careful of? Everybody get 11 leg. If you no put in all, and that team go put in all, that's why that make football is sweet. Don't be about where you they play. Don't be about the club where you they play. Don't be about the money where you get. Don't be about the level where you get.
Hold on.
Now about, are you determined enough? You get the character enough. If you say you be super Eagles of Nigeria, for that pitch, your super come out. Everybody becomes equal. So if the players load themselves, I go tell you, say one super good player, feed the full on that team. We get level. We know. When we enter that pitch, drop the level. Let everybody be equal. Look Rwanda as your equal. Not look them as Rwanda. No one that hates them. Look them as your equal and beat your equal well. Send the lesson. Send a huge message. That Rwanda match now, before the Zimbabwe game, if we struggle against Rwanda, somebody go say, oh, they struggle, can we do something about them? Mentally, I count on the leadership of the Super Eagles, especially through Ekong and the rest. Indeed, we need to be ready mentally and beat this team well. Rwanda is a good country.
Yeah.
The economy, they're very good.
Very, very.
Their roads, they're very good. They are standardized. English, you cannot know me of standardized. They are standardized.
They're one of the emerging economy for Africa. No
they have prosperity
because they encourage local production and local manufacturing.
Well, you should be in the farm.
Well, as it should be, because after what they go through since 1994,
exactly.
Now, they had to change.
So our players, on a serious note, are the same threats here. If we know if we beat Rwanda and Zimbabwe, all of them retire. Go. Let's bring in a new team. Because this not the mission.
All right, this is not the mission. No be small something, and of course, I don't hear.
You can't tell. Leave.
Shook mad put for this one. We concern this.
Boys.
That match go come up on Friday by 5:00 right there for inside.
But we go win. Like I did 100% sure we go.
Now you the player now.
We go win. If we no win, I stop this podcast. I stop coming here. I retire from this podcast. If Nigeria no beat Rwanda and beat Zimbabwe, I retire. You will not hear. If you hear my first podcast again, call me an idiot.
Buchi,
come here, a fool.
Like say, Rwanda no go
a full-grown fat idiot.
Put your work on the line now. Put
No,
your
I can't.
job on the line.
I can't feed my family. No, I can't do that. I put my work on the line. Right. For that, I put my work on the line. Say Arsenal go beat Chelsea. I put that one on the line. I said it. Evidence day. Because Chelsea no be football club. But this one, no, Rwanda, no. They get fine women too much.
All right, you feel Shukma put for the one we consign Nigeria. Very, very important. And of course, continue to support the Super Eagles. They say now only together. Now we fit to Colombia win. They say that cooperation I make rice food for pot. So from that one, make we shift, come out, make we enter the major leagues for inside Europe. Very, very soon, leagues go end. Now match we day now, April, May, in the next couple of weeks.
As far which league they watch? Premier League is finished now. What do you want to
now they talk now. So almost everything don't end, but then a lot of questions and of course talking points around all this one. Like for England now, we don't see Liverpool. They don't crash come out for the UEFA's Champions League and of course lose to Newcastle United. And talking about Newcastle United, very, very big kudos to them because it takes them a very, very long time to Colombia one trophy. And of course that particular day I see the likes of Alan Shearer, they shed tears because it not happened during your own time.
Yes.
And of course it's good to see people will be said on the hustle for something, just like Leverkusen last season after almost how many 120 years they managed Colombia one, but this was it take them 70 years to Colombia one trophy. But then make we take a look at the league just as I take talk. Liverpool done and dusted. Or that they expect any other surprise from England?
No, I'm disappointed in you.
No verse.
I'm very disappointed in you for the first time ever.
No verse.
This question you asked her last week.
No, I go still ask her.
Are you not tired?
No, I'm not tired.
They are leading by 12 good points on 70 points. Arsenal on 58 points. Arsenal right now with the injury depleted. What won't happen? Yes, there might be one or two. There might be one or two or maybe one or two because we get like I think 9 games to go. Anything if it happen, but let's be serious. It's Arsenal. If not like a Man City now they pursue Liverpool, I go say okay, hope they. If Arsenal pursue you, go win. Check this on Premier League. When Leicester win, you go pursue them. Arsenal. Liverpool don't win 2 times, you pursue them. Arsenal. They're not to pursue people. No very useless club. So there's they expect and look at it. So Arsenal don't get any of the attackers. No Saka, no Havertz, no Jesus. When they want to do. Merino right now is putting in a great shift for Arsenal. So what will they? Liverpool rather they para.
So done and dusted.
They don't out of 2 competition. No Champions League. No EFL Cup. They go do their extremely best to win the Premier League. So
all right.
Which hope one day again.
Just like you take talk but then with wetin happen against Newcastle United, feel say some loopholes there for inside that Liverpool team where we say other teams from the Premier League go exploit for the remaining games.
I feel say they don't retire. I noticed that thing where they played their return leg for the UEFA Champions League game against PSG. No, not the same Liverpool, the same set of players, but to me, I feel say maybe now my thinking I feel say they don't they
think
they don't they won out already, and now the advantage where teams like Arsenal and Nottingham Forest supposed to take because right now after the international break, games go still
resume
because the rules of the game say it is not over until it's over. If it's so, based on what this one they talk, where the reason.
Your father is
carry
this
trophy, give Liverpool now. You understand?
Your
but
father is this one.
Finish all your games. So tendency they say
if not tendency, tendency. What tendency?
If Arsenal, they're very serious. May they just stay winning, keep winning, just they win, they go. Do your own business and allow Liverpool. Maybe
from the English Premier League, we could look at another possible league where we say anybody feel win. Talking about the Spanish La Liga, Barcelona, Real Madrid. Very, very tight race between this side. And of course, Atletico is not even far away from there. They're not far from there.
This is not the Atletico I used to know. 2 goes up against Barca. No, this is not the Atletico I used to know. Something they were that match against Real Madrid. Like trust me, it affect them mentally. It affect them because they put in a lot, and they lost penalties and the Julian Alvarez incident. So I think it's between obviously Real Madrid and Barcelona. I think so. They're on the same. They're on the same points.
But Barcelona
get one game in hand.
Yeah, but Barcelona get one outstanding game
against
Villarreal.
So no, I don't. I see about this league.
Possible league winner, Barcelona, Real Madrid.
For
Real Madrid. I know you be
for bias reason. I can't say I can't for bias reason. How many Real Madrid win? I get it why, but I can't say it. How many Real Madrid win?
So for the first time you support.
I don't support that. I can never support in this life. I will never.
All right.
No, in fact, no.
And talking about Real Madrid, the other time their coach Mikel Ancelotti been come out, they provoke, say how they go making team play so much games within a space of few days.
You never see anything. They go suffer. See, I don't care about this football club. I'm sorry. See, as a fan, I want to congest football. But they play Monday, Tuesday. I don't care. See, the last couple of days, my life has been useless. No football. I put TV, repetition of movies. Nothing to watch on TV. You go YouTube, nothing to watch. Football gives me life. It gives me energy. It gives me direction. Without football, I'm nothing but a fat, deluded guy. But now I need football. So if these players, they play Monday, I watch football everywhere. I watch Belgian football. I watch Iraq football. That's how useless I am. I watch everything. And for the last couple of days, 3 days, no football. I'm finished. Even sex cannot equal to football.
They gamble now. That's how they work.
It's not about gambling. I'm a patriot of this sport. I'm loyal to this sport. That's the way it is. So whether footballers play Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if like the foot team get injury, may under 20 come play. I don't give a damn. Continue football. If you're like, let them retire, stop playing. I'm tired of these complaints. You go absolutely. You have been coaching how many years?
He said something. He said if it continue like this, they no go play.
No. But they don't play. Others go play. Easy.
Players get paid.
But they don't play.
So in nothing there's time for the.
You
get over 30 players.
Who go back up? It's stupid.
And they play like for competition. So how you take? That's why you be the manager of the team now. How you take rotate your
All
squad?
right, from the one we concerned the La Liga, we will enter another league with a tight as well.
It's not league.
Inter Milan 64 points, Napoli 61 points, Atalanta 58 points. Still very much open.
Very open.
Anybody fits Colombia.
The beauty about I've been following the Italian della Serie A for years. You know my dad work with Italians. Do you know what I mean? Afanculo?
That's what my power work with
Italians. You know Afanculo? Do you know Procodillo? Ticasso. I probably won't finish with insult. This is right for us. So I love the Italian league. It give me a lot of energy. If the Italian league leave corruption, leave mago,
match fixing,
leave match fixing. This is now one of the best league in the world, not just football, but tactically. That's why they bring in the best coaches in history. They get one academy in Italy where they produce best coaches, from the Marcello Lippis to the Claudio Ranieri to the Conte to the Carlo Ancelotti. Check well. Go around the world. You go see Italian managers everywhere because they understand the football, the nitty-gritty of football. Check their tactics. You go understand properly where this guy. And when you see Italian player play, then how they use the word the medio. You want me to medio centro? When you see, I can. These are saying they read. I will sit down and.
And to top it up, for the 2023-24 season, then vote them the best league for inside.
This is the best, bro. Have you watched Udinese play? Giovanni, get one young tall boy. This team is beautiful. Did you watch Juventus under Bologna under Thiago Motta? Tactically, oh boy, the Premier League is nothing but a very overrated league because they have too much money. Packaging is beautiful. Just that, please, I'm begging you. No, they try to stop me because if they stop me now, if they go to this one, it doesn't make any other point. So let me make my football point that they stop me, please. Your body language is not nice today. I don't like it.
Oh, well, all right.
I don't like it. I mean,
the Italian league, Emmanuel, then they picked him as the most tactical and defensively organized.
He cannot understand it.
Yeah. You agree?
Yes, of course. If you look at Inter Milan at the moment, then they top the table 64 points. Look at the numbers of goals where they don't score and the numbers of goals where they don't concede this season. It shows yes, that judgment no just they wrong at all. And again, the race between Inter and Napoli for that table. Atlanta had their chances over the weekend where they play at home against Napoli, but they lose 2-0. You understand? So you're gonna say yes, Napoli self no be forget say yes, they no they no be that team where we just write off. You understand? So and the numbers of goals where they concede at home and away show say yes, Italian league from time immemorial, they get defense.
Thank you.
Buchi, what do you go say they wrong with Juventus? For a team we win 9 in the last 15 years, they don't win the Scudetto 9 times. Napoli win, I think, once. Inter Milan 3 times. AC Milan 2 times in the last 15 years. Wetin they wrong with Juventus?
Number one, I would say too much signings. Because when you sell a lot of players, it take time for them to adapt. And number two, other clubs don't learn and they don't improve. Don't forget to then get that wahala with them.
Match fixing, where they go back to.
So if you look at Juventus, they have a very, very young team. They signed a new set of midfielders from Crepli Turan, Diego, the guy from Aston Villa, to Koop from Atlanta. So the only midfielder we don't need there for a long time is Locatelli will be their captain. They've even signed a new front line. From this guy, Porto coach, assistant coach to where to Kolomwani. So they have a lot of their best player right now is Yildiz. Yildiz is 19 years old. They don't even get defense. Who did they defend? They have to bring in a backup defender in Newcastle. That lefty. They also bring in Chelsea boy Viega. But they started against Fiorentina. So this team, they get a lot of young team and young coach. That's why young player and young know they work because they are too young to like the experience not really there. So yes, they affect them. So my brother will come up. But they prepare at the pity for Thiago Motta. They might sack him.
Yes.
They might sack him. Because when
when
heavy investment is made, not saying they expect too much results, but at least be somewhere. You can't be losing 3-0.
Last weekend they were beating 3-0 by
Fiorentina.
Yeah, but Fiorentina.
Not be neighbors. So if your neighbor beats you, they take it very, very personal.
Make it look where they did for the league. They did 5th position, 52 points. The league never. So their biggest achievement would be to fight for the top 4 and return back to Champions League or return back to Europe next season. And I feel say that.
So how you feel say go back for inside the Italian Serie A?
So, but their biggest issue will be Bologna. Now Inter.
Very tight.
I think Inter will win for bias reason. Inter. I don't want Napoli close to that league. If Inter or Atlanta win it, I want Lukman to win it. It's possible. Inter, I don't want Napoli close to it. Napoli will not win anything in their life. But Jupiter, why did you ask me to defend that question about trying the Italian league? Can't they ask?
No, you can still answer it.
It's not smart enough. You ask that kind of question.
You can still answer it.
It's an insult. Like you have to plead with me. Say, please answer it.
Yeah, please answer it.
You are crazy.
Edaku,
crazy. Now I know you are crazy.
Very. That's my CV. Like the Italian league has produced the best set of defenders. Remember, defender would win Ballon d'Or for that World Cup. Fabio Cannavaro. We go back to Paolo Maldini, Nesta, Costa Curta. These guys don't produce the best of defenders. Defenders always have 101. Now I tell you how they do press so. When defenders go press, reach half line. When they see now they shout England press. So this league don't produce defenders who be say what Zambrotta. If you use right, if you use left.
Cambiaso.
Bro, that league don't produce players who be say if you know football, you go know say more. Then Italian league they hot that time. Imagine say defense get Maldini, get Nesta, get Costa Curta, can't get Cafu. That time they win AC Milan, they win Champions League. Chai, you can't even get Dida for the back. No, it's not Italian. That you can't get Gattuso. Get Gattuso for midfield. That thing was illegal.
Legends.
So this league done. That's why they vex because they have enough and they have a lot of dedicated fans. If you want to see fans with the craze, go to the Italian league. Their fans are different. They are so different. They are so dedicated. Not be England. This will not get England fans. What they do is they mourn and complain and rant, rally,
and drink beer.
Like the English fans are like Nigerians, rally for nonsense reason. When problem, they don't go rally you. No, it's crazy. I love the Italian league.
All right, a look at so for you, it's a very open league, and of course anybody can win. We could take a look at the German Bundesliga.
This other league, don't finish now.
The German Bundesliga, we still see Leverkusen. At least they still at the back of
56
Bayern
points.
Munich. Mainz, they 45 points. Frankfurt 45. But then we could look from the second and the first.
No, the good news about this league, we say at least the king will withdraw for the first time in his career. The curse has been broken. Because time they give me joy about this league.
It's not yet over. Look at it now.
Because Leverkusen, when they pursue them, they're heavy touch. They don't.
But then in the last 15 years, Bayern don't win like I think 10.
They go win them again. So I think they will win it. The good thing about them is they lose what they call back to double.
Dortmund win 2. I think
Leverkusen win 1.
Yes,
Wolfsburg also win. Wolfsburg won.
Yes,
I remember that Wolfsburg team won, and the second one the rest. So then I wish that Bayern go win this league. Nobody.
No. It's still open.
Let's be honest. Bayern will win. Bayern will not falter.
There's Leverkusen.
Leverkusen right now, they're head in touch. They're not really content on the last season.
Yeah.
So Bayern will win. So
all right. Buchi say Bayern to Abi.
No.
Leverkusen. How much you want bet?
I no bet with you.
I double the money.
You have never talk about
bring 100K.
All the bets.
So now you don't expect the surprise we say Bayern fi no win.
Bayern no fi win. Yeah, because Bayern last weekend. Normally they're supposed to win that match at least 3 points. They drew 1-1. You understand? So those see if listening, if you need to win Liga, there's too much draws is not good for you. Now till they kill Arsenal for England. There's matches you just win outrightly. And when Leverkusen wanted to do the business last season, they do them well. You get some matches they will just win. But Bayern Munich, they don't keep people tickets.
Can you listen now? Thank you. Put your money where your mouth is. Any money you bring, I double it. If you bring one woman, I bring 3. We'll bet something.
But we take a look at
you platter. Bring your wife. I bring 3 girls.
Take a look at PSG.
Let him put his mouth where his money is.
Look at NPFL.
You are very biased.
No verse.
It be INEC.
Bet with you now. Waste of time.
We'll take a look at
someone 3,015 naira on national radio. 3,015 naira win this boy. You know if you talk.
Nigerian.
You get what you give you.
But we take a look at Nigerian Premier Football League.
I don't look at it. Look at it.
And of course, it be like Remo. They run away from this one. 57 points after 29 games.
Yeah.
And Rivers United is second on top, 49 points. Enugu Rangers 45 points. Ikorodu City 45. Abia Warriors 44. We'll just go with this. From 1 to 5.
Yep.
Very open, or do they expect any surprise?
No surprise.
Remo
Stars.
But Shooting Stars manager will be Bengo, but they don't talk today. Say
do or die. Don't worry. The good thing about the Nigerian Premier Football League this year, for the very first time in a long while, we get like 3 teams from the southwest part of Nigeria where make top 5. Remo Stars from Ogun State, Ikorodu City from Lagos State, and Shooting Stars from Ibadan. Top 6. Yeah, sorry, top 6. But again, now Remo Stars league to win because we don't see like the last 2 seasons. Remo Stars don't come close.
Yes, just like Arsenal.
No, they came close against Enyimba Kariam. They came close against Rangers last season. Rangers Kariam, and now they start the season on a very bright note. Without their coach, they go away against Abia Warriors, win. The first team for the Premier League season will win away for the season. Now, Remo Stars, even without their coach on touchline. So, and they don't get consistent for the league, number 1 and 2, since last year, September. You know, the whole of December, now battle between them and Rivers United. So right now, they're the top table and 29 games. After the international break.
Remo to win.
Yes, because if you look at their remaining matches, Remo is... But you don't go right off Rivers and Enugu Rangers, because Rangers won't like defend the league. But if you look at the table at the point gap again, because you get one tradition when Enugu Rangers get, apart from Kano Pillars, where beat them 4-2 for Cathedral with Ahmed Musa and the rest recently. They hardly lose for Cathedral in Abdazikwe Stadium, and most of their games right now go day at Enugu.
And now when you mention Ahmed Musa, the name they conspicuously missing for the list. It be like say Eric Sekushel don't feel say need people will go add to waiting in plan on ground and people go sit down.
Like our last podcast, go back like I said. Right now, with the look of players, everybody come and compete for sport. No insult to Ahmed Musa. He no go start. And the likelihood be say he no go even come from bench. So this not be time to give sport. This is not the political appointment. We need to win. I love Ahmed Musa. But he's saying they're on form, they play against Copland, they go say, okay, based on merit, put him in his quality in play. But right now, based on merit, he's not there. It's not there, so why ain't they there? I don't understand. Him being on the list is even insulting. It's insult to him. Say they even put a cover and drop him. Because on a good day, he should not be there. That's why they para for the 39-man list. It's nonsense. It's so useless. There was no need for it. Because like I talk, no matter who you invite, Nigerians will complain because all of us, we love different players differently. True. Players get their different fans. So if they're playing, they go complain. Tell them why they shout. I don't care who you invite. I don't give a damn who you invite. Just give me 3 points.
But they do great job for Kano Pillars. They win their match last match before the international break. Once
is it like top 20 of best NPFL player?
Top 3.
Top 3?
Yeah, top 3.
He's actually doing well.
He's doing well.
Very well. Yeah. But I come out the likes of Anas Yusuf of Rivers of National United do. National United team now they go under relegation.
I can't believe what
you understand. So I if you come out of this Anas Yusuf, Ahmed Musa now.
All right, make we look at for you Remo Stars. to win the Nigerian league.
Remo Stars, yeah.
We sharply check PSG, and this one get PSG on top 68 points. Marseille second on top 49. Monaco third 47. Nice fourth with 47. Lyon fifth with 45. For you, done and dusted, Buchi.
Jupiter had 19 points difference.
Yes.
There's no even done and dusted. Like, what's the essence?
And for PSG, the last 15 years.
The league never finished.
In the last 15
you want to give
years.
up for this one, Mumu? You didn't see
38 games. This is not 31 matches. This is not 30 matches. It's 26 matches.
In the last 15 years,
tired.
PSG don't win this league 12 times.
They are 18 in the league.
Monaco
They're not
was.
only 20.
Monaco was. Marseille won. And of course, Lille twice.
No, Lille won. Montpellier won one time like that.
Montpellier won
Montpellier
one,
under
yes.
Olivier Giroud.
So Lille, Montpellier, Monaco, and of Marseille, and of course PSG.
And they are just
all
18
right,
in the league, so
no
you
be
can't
small
really
thing.
count.
We just say make we shook eye put done and
Now you want
dusted
to map it,
for
nobody want to
PSG.
map it. Like you want to
And
map
from
it.
that one,
Monaco they give better fight too.
Which fights? They win.
from that one to the next one, James Nwachukwu Rodríguez. Don't they talk? I don't know where talk come from, but then this guy will be said they in 12th career, as in right now for his career, this go be in 12th club. They play for, I think, Monterrey. And right now, the guy, they para. They ask him, and from there, talk, now he bring talk. He come they talk, say, in better pass Toni Kroos. He don't play alongside Kroos. He don't play alongside Modric. The only time I know say people know this guy now, during that World Cup, when he performed well with Colombia for 2014. And that was how Madrid, Colombian. He don't play alongside these two guys, Kroos and, of course, Modric. Played under Zinedine Zidane. And of course, played against Xavi.
Yeah.
How good
James
is
Rodríguez
James Rodríguez?
better
And is
player.
he better than these guys we mentioned?
Better player. His own.
Better player now. He your 12th club.
Wait, no forget this guy scored one of the best. In fact, one of the best goals for that World Cup. And secondly, at the time when he come Madrid, other players had the hot passer. At that time, when Madrid gets Benzema, Bale, Cristiano, BBC.
Okay.
For that up front. So you know if you sacrifice anybody for this guy to play that time. Not that
he couldn't displace anybody.
No. He did play that time, but not be regular. Because he did play Madrid some important games. Comes up, could discuss some kind of fantastic goals. He get one match where Madrid won a Clasico, Madrid Barca beat Madrid for Santiago Bernabeu. This guy come up for bench, can score Madrid 2-2 goal. So he did play some kind of important goals. But just at that particular point when he did play, this players hot pass him at that moment. And a good coach.
All right,
no
now
go put
let me
bench.
take you somewhere.
Okay, please come to me.
I'm taking you to Everton. Now be the hottest player for Everton. The highest paid player in Everton was any £220,000. Why he no hot for them?
Remember, say this guy come up from amazing, struggling economy society. You
don't go another
wait now,
place.
Colombia. Relax now. He don't look for money.
Coming from that same economy when he signed for Real Madrid.
Where Ronaldo come from?
This guy they look for money.
Where Ronaldo come from?
The Bible say, see, the Bible say the book of Proverbs that a man's gift maketh the way for him. In talent and football.
Pastor Ima.
So he they make money to take care of your family. Look at the society. Look at the family where you come up from. Very large family.
Can you come to me, please?
You understand? So and he
not,
still they play football at this. So he's
not
not even playing football
tired?
in the Major League Soccer now. He's not playing
He
football.
doesn't Major Soccer. In the Mexico, Club Leon. You know who know what they talk?
Oh wait.
In the Club Leon.
He did Mexico.
Club now we done a Club Leon. Olodo.
Yeah, Club Leon.
Is it?
No.
Club Leon be
Monterrey.
Okay.
Na Ramos dey Monterrey.
You know who go with USA self. Olodo. James Rodríguez. We know. Special boy. Super player. But for life, people must pass you.
Bam.
It good say make you know people will pass you. If you don't way pass you for this life, you don't get problem. Know your elders.
They your lane.
It's not bad. It's super boy for Colombia. Don't do that with national team following. Even if they win the Copa America one time, don't they consistent? But all these players too, where you call them to deliver what their country too, and also what their clubs. These players, they are elder brothers. Talent-wise, they are
Legend.
No, they are not your mates. Toni Kroos, are you kidding me? From Liverpool, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, German national team, help them win World Cup. Luka Modric, single carried Croatia, reach the World Cup finals. You come Xavi, but then win Euros, win World Cup. Are you kidding me? Win Champions League. What do you know win? You want Qualifiers then? You no. Compare yourself to people that are your peers. When they ask you go say, okay, I'm a good player. What these players then pass me? Everybody gets money. But people they will get money, but we get money safe.
Not true.
You they talented. You know, there's no way you look. You know, go look. This boy now football. He plays beautiful, sexy football.
He does.
He's talented effortlessly. But these other guys, they are far more talented than him. So in this life, James Rodríguez, be humble. You are 33 years old. Be humble.
You are better than
People
Messi.
must pass you.
No, that one English
Life
tell
take
them. You know talk like that.
On a good day, I'm going to talk to me. I'm a senior brother. You going to talk to me.
Yeah, you can't be my senior. You can never be my senior. Your foolishness.
You can't tell I'm a senior brother.
All right, from James Rodríguez, make we can enter our last yarning point, and of course talking point this delicious. Okay. Now under Ramide, we could look at Mauricio Pochettino.
I'm not going to
He's
waste my time.
presently with the U.S. men national team. And of course, they plan to, go World Cup with them and everything. But then, he say he go like come back to Tottenham Hotspur. He tried when he did there from, I think, 2014 to 2019.
Yeah, they play Champions League final. And they lose to Liverpool.
No disrespect to you. I'm not going to waste my last minute here.
Talking about
Pochettino. Goodbye.
Oh, yeah, Pochettino.
Well, football coaches, they always get this relationship with
mental attachment to
their former clubs, you understand, and a place where they don't do for a long while, we don't share memories. You know, matter even if you don't win anything, at least they come nearly. You carry them go their biggest stage from that 2014 where you come 2019 play Champions League final. So hope you always give the fans hope. Say at least Spurs one day go always get there. So and they ask them say well he go come back, but for now I think he focus attention on the US national team and the World Cup, and maybe in the future, maybe after the World Cup,
it go good for him to come back. So if the club will not win anything.
If you come back, if you can't change everything about the club, it's very, very possible.
All right, finally, Buchi still under this young concern. No, I never say bye-bye.
Oh, sorry.
Manchester United. We don't hear the fans, they complain about the ticket prices. For a team where they do well, for players where no send, they can still increase ticket prices.
When they change club now, I buy first. See, I think Man U right now, they get a lot of issues. Well, when Man U problem, they bust. Wait, I observe when
you say for first 10, I go see Man U again.
Can
first 10, you know go see Man U.
Can a smart man talk?
See no, first 10 no Man U.
Don't interrupt. So when I know Man U problems, now when Cristiano Ronaldo come out, they go talk. Say when he did his squad years ago, the cafeteria the same. They don't change their they don't put their cafeteria next week. So they're a club when we don't they very stagnant.
Build new stadium.
Success is good. But if you don't build on your success, it could become stagnant. Then they're very stagnant. Because they say, wrong, we are the red devil. The devil used them. Use them fully. So I think right now they are coming back. But you have to come back you have to spend money to make money. But the money, or did they increase their fund? I don't understand. It's crazy.
They said this is the third
time. Well, why?
Consecutive season.
It's just like Nigerian banks or Nigerian economy. When they know they don't broke, what they do? Let's build the citizen. Let's start sending alert when they exist. One bank sent me a lot in 2021. Day before yesterday. I'm like, what 2021? They don't think, we don't broke, let's build this able. Because they say on a good day, I don't forget the record of 2021. So that's what Man U they do right now. It's not fair to these fans. Because the fans are the pillar of the club. Without fan, there's no club. Without fan, you will not make money. Because you bank on the emotions of the fan.
Yeah.
Emotions turn into numbers turn into money. A lot of these fans, they own season ticket holders. Yeah. It's expensive. Most of these fans, they travel with their own money, go to different places to watch the club.
Yeah.
So if you don't have respect for the fans, then you don't have respect for yourself. Man U, their new owner, that Ratcliffe or Ambereda, their CEO, they should do better. Don't bank on, don't build the fans. Support the fans.
I'm talking about the owners, the Glazers. Say this guy buy shares there. He said the Glazers never even said that they go just the answers.
They never cared from the one. They are businessmen. They never cared. That's why they said.
That was what Sir Ratcliffe said.
They said 30% to them. I think he's in charge right now of running United, the football.
He said they don't care.
They don't give. They never cared from the one.
They even asked him, bros, where don't work.
They never cared from the one. They are still majority owners, but the guy they run the footballing angle of football. They don't care about. They don't get input or transfer or the rest. They don't care from the one. They are businessmen. As far as they give their income every season, billions out of their account, they are good. Football is a serious business. It's a serious money making business. So they can't see if you're owner of United. Why I won't sell a full complete? Why? When I can sell the club and chill in a beach and relax and follow girls and drink the best of drinks.
That's your biggest achievement, your biggest dream.
To follow girls. No, now that's
what do you.
When you have money, you follow girls now. What do you want money to when you follow? Normally. You have never been rich before. You don't understand. If you have money, you spend on women. Ask men, they do it. It's facts. It's not arguments here.
So you don't go to.
So what do you want to make money for?
You don't go to.
After when you invest, you don't buy a house. Don't buy your motor now. What do you want to spend money on?
What about your society?
They send me the Chris. Like who cares about? Like when God created the world, He took this woman from our rib. You spend on women. It's natural for rich men. He can't relate.
Spend on women.
It's a fact. He can't relate. You make money for who? To spend on men, your fellow poor masses. What they do for you? You spend on women.
So you don't know that when you make money and invest your money.
You what I talk. I say after you don't do investment, you don't buy your house, you don't buy your motor. You are made for life.
Yes. The one about the men around you. You know that those men.
Okay, let me
so
will I pay for flight for a man to come and see me in USA? Whatever is the man do?
So you cannot invest in your fellow men to let them do business and become.
The same way a house to make money. Can they not go a house? They don't get to that. They don't get to
you carry your money go give woman.
Yes.
Woman will
All
just give
right,
you
my
only
people, the
nyash.
arguments don't start. Now here we go end football Mede podcast.
You know what better for me to play for men.
All right, my people, now here we
They
go
watch
end
porn.
football Mede podcast. And of course, for today, we're going to still coming away next time. But don't forget to hit that notification button and, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Football Republic NG on YouTube. My name is Jovita AK. Thank you to Emmanuel Attah, the most expensive, Atakata Abua, and of course, Onokala Onyebuchi, the big feast. And of course, don't forget to ever be licensed coach, the only coach where they talk to Pep Guardiola, and of course,
Thank you.
call
They're my
Jose
boys.
Mourinho.
They're my
Even
boys.
FIFA president will be Gianni Infantino. And of course, Emeka and Michael. Thank you so much, guys, for always making sure say we find on top of video. Till we come on our way again next time. My people, make una enjoy.
Honestly.